Yo, you ever notice motherfucking birds is like human beings, like people and shit? You know, the motherfuckers just like human beings and shit. The motherfucking eagles like the RPD, the falcons just like motherfucking state troopers. Shit, you got them other birds, man. They the, like other shits like ain't no the crows ain't like niggas and shit. But yeah, we be flying around. We like bats and shit. We be flying around all fucked up or after docks or whatever the fuck they call that shit. Like them bats be like they ghosts want to get high and shit, and then the motherfucking eagles be chasing the motherfuckers, be trying to slow their ass down to see what the fuck why they flying like that. We be dodging the fuck out of the motherfucker like we just getting chased by the police and shit. And yeah, motherfucking eagles, man, they straight. You can tell the motherfucking police and shit, cop birds and shit, big ass claws and shit. Be trying to chase a motherfucking hold a nigga down, beat their ass and shit. And talk about bitch got fucked up when he ran through the trees and shit. And the motherfucking doves, you never see them motherfuckers. They be them doves like pimps and shit, or somewhere hibernating or somewhere. The motherfucking owls and shit, they like white folks and shit. All nosy and shit. He's calling the cops. Motherfucking niggas is coming. The niggas coming. Yeah, all that. And shit. Yeah, we like the motherfucking bats. Like go somewhere and get high, and the motherfucking eagles be chasing us and shit like that. And then the falcons, they like state trooper, whoever, feds or whatever, sneaking up on motherfuckers trying to attack them and shit. All kind of crazy shit. But yeah. I got jokes. You dig? Peace.